This is Leatherland.
Yeah, this is our Harmon leather sofa. This is the vintage leather, so this is top grain leather. The best thing about this is it gets better with age.
It has a very lived-in feel and I imagine quite durable.
Yeah, because this is top grain, it's a lot more durable than a lot of other leathers on the market, and it's great for adding a bit of warmth into your space as well.
Texture as well.
Yeah.
So Fiona, it looks like you have that more traditional kind of Chesterfield style sofa, but then more contemporary. Like I feel like these ones behind me could be in a mountain chalet somewhere
Yeah,
or
definitely.
a club feel.
We have quite a big range of the leather sofas, and we've got the contemporary ones as well as like the Chesterfield and the more classical.
Where's the whiskey?
I know.